about the love of my life and sharing my world with you.